Yo, I'm up in Walmart right now. I see all the watermelon stuff going on all over the world. Check this out. What in, Yo, did you see that? Bro, it's got pressure behind it. What in the world? And that's not the only one. There's a bunch in here. They all feel. This one's weak. I can put my finger through it, y'all. Did y'all see that? It's not just this one though. They all got pressure built up in them. Did you see that? Oh man, there's pressure in there. This ain't normal. Yo, I'm telling y'all, don't buy the watermelon from Walmart. GMO products, don't do it.
Walmart watermelons exploding everywhere.
So I came downstairs and all of the guts of my watermelon was all over my table, as you can see here. So I guess overnight my watermelon exploded, combusted, and I'm not sure why. So here it is again. The inside looks crazy. It really looks like it is a man-made watermelon. It doesn't look like a natural, intricately grown watermelon. However, I'm just baffled and I'm not really sure if I want to eat watermelons ever again.
What the actual if CK is going on with our watermelon? Hank Green. It smells so bad.
The second watermelon from Kroger that's been doing this. I got to a pot. From Kroger.
I cannot make this up. I heard a whistling sound in the pantry, and then my watermelon exploded like A. Stop eating GMO food.
Oh, I opened it. It's open.